What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lopes and welcome back to another video. And today's video is super exciting and we are kind of in a different scene over here. What has happened, which most of you probably know by now, is I sold my 8-gen. I know it's hard, but you guys gotta understand it's time for a new build. The 8-gen I've done wonders with, made a lot of great friends, and built it with Alex. Majority of the entire, I would say 99% of that build was Alex and I. And then we had some help from Kevin Mercer when doing the cams and whatnot. I'm gonna miss it dearly, but the new car I'm super excited for. Some of you guys are gonna love it, some of you are gonna hate it, but just remember it's a right-hand drive JDM car, and I'm gonna show you in this film very shortly, and I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are excited as well. And please, if you're not a fan of the car, stick with it, stick with the channel, because we're gonna do some crazy things. Check this out, and we'll talk a little more about it after.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
What do you think? How epic is it? I know I said epic and badass, and those are my words I say. How badass is it? It's a right-hand drive EP3 Type R, original 77,000 kilometers, and most of you guys actually seen the EP3 in the background of the video. I left that as an Easter egg to kind of get your minds working a little bit. It was kind of cool. I didn't mean to shoot it like that, but as I was editing, I saw it and I was like, you know what, we're just gonna leave it in there. And a lot of you guys did figure it out. And if you guys are happy for it, let me know down below. If you're not a fan of EP3, stick around. Like I said, we're gonna try some cool things on it. I'm gonna keep it as authentic as I can. Try my best to do all real parts on the car, just because it's an authentic right-hand drive EP3. Like I said, 77,000 kilometers, zero rust. Zero rust. I can't get any better than that. If you guys haven't seen my old EP3, you can go through my Instagram channel, or I might post a picture here and you guys can see how my old EP3 used to look like. I'm a big fan of the EP3s because not many people do them up, and when they're done right, they look amazing. Just the way it's looking now looks amazing, but we have some plans for it. And one thing that I'm gonna tell you guys everything, but we're gonna boost it. No supercharger, we're going turbo. And this time I'm hoping to push more power, like around the 400 or 500 range. So I'm super excited about it. We'll do another video with a lot more details about it and things about the EP3. I'll let you guys know a few things about it if you guys don't know already. But I couldn't pass up this offer. Sing Built Motorsports was who actually hooked me up with the car. Check his Instagram down below as well. But yeah, I don't know, it's just so cool. I've loved EP3s, and I believe from the facts that people I've talked to, I'm one of 3 in Canada with it, or maybe Ontario. So I like cars like that are very rare to find. But we're gonna keep it classy, it's gonna look clean. We're not gonna go crazy aggressive with the EP3. I'm gonna try making a super clean build with all really good parts on it, and we're gonna make some big power, and not huge power, about 400 to 500 I think in that shell is really good, because the shell's only about 2,600 pounds. And the 8-gen with gutted and all the carbon fiber is 3,000 pounds. So even if I had made 350, 360, it would literally be faster no matter what. And the EP3 is a track beast as well. I'll be a little nervous, not gonna lie, to track it right now because I'm not 100% comfortable with driving right-hand drive. It is still winter here, as you guys saw in the footage. So once spring comes around, the car will be on the road But yeah, a few little things we have to fix. The starter's making a scratching noise, so we may change the starter, not a big deal. And the mounts, what would be a left-hand driver mount, that mount there is broken, so we're gonna do some Hasport mounts there. So those will be a couple of the mods we do, but we're gonna modify it obviously, but we're gonna do it tastefully. And yeah, I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys are too. I know like this was a big decision for me, and you guys should know this because I put so much money into the HN, like so much money. And for me to do this, it took a lot, but like I said, I was ready for a new build, and I couldn't think of anything. Well, I could think of cooler things, I'm not gonna lie, like GTRs and stuff, but this for Honda is super cool because it's a real right-hand drive JDM EP3. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please let me know your comments down below, positive, not positive. But all I do ask is stick around because we still have 10th gen footage, and now we're gonna have JDM EP3 footage, and we're hitting a different generation of Civic, and I'm starting to love the older generations of Civics as well. Like I have the newest one, and one day when I have a bigger house, I will have other Civics as well, and maybe some other cool JDM cars. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're excited as I am because, like I said, I was a little nervous to do this, and I'm really trying to make it on YouTube, so please stick around. You guys will see what I do with it. Trust me, I made the 8th gen look amazing, the 10th gen is looking good, but this is gonna be next level, so please stick around. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Do it once, do it right, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.